So this is docket 1850 ER 106, the application of the city of Elroy for authority to adjust electric rates. And this is Michael Newmark, the administrative law judge for the PSC. And with us on Zoom, we have staff for the city and commission staff. We are expecting the utilities consultant as well. Haven't seen them join us yet, but let's move forward and see if we can process the case without them if necessary. So I just wanted to mention we have the notice of hearing on the screen share, and we do have the indication on the notice that it's a public and party hearing session here. So we're taking comments from the public as well as the evidence and comments from utility and commission staff. We have no comments on file at this time from the public, but we can still accept those until Friday, July 14th, either through the commission's website or by US mail. And the details on doing that are on the screen here, so they can be viewed in the YouTube recording, as well as on the commission's notice that's on the commission's ERF system. And like I mentioned, no comments so far, but we can accept those if they're filed on time. So, all right, well, we'll just keep moving on here. Maybe show the list of documents that we've identified to put into the record in the case. And let me explain what we're doing here today is creating the record. And that's the documents we identify and verify under oath as exhibits, as well as those comments I talked about before. The record will include the recording of the hearing as well. That'll be on YouTube, and the recording, the whole record will be forwarded to the decision maker in the case, and that person is Christine Nieto, who's the division administrator for the Division of Energy Regulation and Analysis. Administrator Nieto will review the record and make a decision on the case, and then the commission will issue a written order that'll be emailed to the utility and posted on the commission's website. So, well, still no consultants here, but let's see if we can make it through the verification process. We do have the oh, that was my mistake. Just duplicated that one. So we do have 20 documents filed from the utility that were identified by commission staff for inclusion in the record. First one's a public notice, and that's already verified by affidavit. So, or I guess it's a signed verification. So we don't really need to verify that here today. I can accept that. The rest of the documents are the more technical ones, the application, some details for commission staff, data request responses, and other looks like, you know, wholesale power purchase bills. So at this point, I was just wondering if we do have someone in attendance that's comfortable with verifying those documents under oath. Is that something you can do? Yeah, okay, great. So you just want to unmute. I can probably do that from my end here, make it easier.
Thank you. I wasn't quite sure how to unmute myself.
Yeah, it's not easy on the phone. Well, let me swear you in first. So hope he's not up at bat right now. No, okay. All right. So raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. And just state your name for the record.
My name is Gina Skronsky. I don't know if you need me to spell it, but
no.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. And is it spelled? Do you see it on the screen there?
It's actually SKOW.
Okay.
SK. Yep.
Let me change that then. Sorry about that. All right, great. So can you see the screen share with the list of documents there?
Yep, it looks like the public notice, the application, power summary. Yep, I can see them all there. Yep.
Okay. So for the items number 2 through 20, are you familiar with those documents?
I am.
Okay, and are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
To the best of my knowledge, they're complete and correct.
All right. Do you have any comments you'd like to make?
Not at this time.
Okay. All right. Well, that's good. So we can move on to commission staff. We'll start with revenue requirement. So who do we have to verify that document?
Right here.
Okay, great. So I'll swear you in. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. So give your name for the record.
Eric Griffin.
And can you confirm that the revenue requirement exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Do you have any comments?
No.
All right. We'll move on to cost service study. That's from Jason Stevenson. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
And can you confirm that the cost service study and rate design letter is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right. So that's all of our documents, and I'm going to turn the screen share off. So at this time, just reviewing our participants on Zoom, and there are no members of the public in attendance. So no comments we can take live. But just a reminder, we can still accept comments up until Friday through the commission's website or by mail. At this point, looks like we have everything we need. Any questions or anything else to review before we adjourn? No? All right. Well, thanks very much, everybody. Take care, and we're adjourned.